Guys, welcome to my channel. Yes, so I'm gonna show you a simple and very easy Ariaria praise groove, okay, or bass lines. You can learn this as a beginner, as a intermediate, advanced player, okay. It's very nice bass groove. Okay, so let's move straight to work. So the key is E, okay. We're going to play this in E. This is our key, okay. So that's our key, okay. E. You can also play it here, you can also play it here, whatever. But for the sake of Ariaria praise, okay, this type of praise bass line, you know, it is very let me say very nice and very, you know, very nice when you play it here, when you play it in this part of the fretboard, okay. It gives it a unique, you know, sound, you understand, vibe, okay. Good. So yeah, the key is E, and the progression, I believe most of us know this song, right? You know this song. It's really used, okay. It's really used in African praises, okay. So it goes like this, the song progression. I have a father, you never feel me. I have a father who never. Okay, Jesus is mine, never fail me. Rock of ages, never fail. Okay, simple. So I have a four, never 1 5 1 4 1 5 1. You see, fa, do, so, do, fa, do, so, do. Okay, so 4 1 5 1. Okay, go. So let's move straight to the breakdown. Very easy, so just follow, okay. So it goes like this. I ever found her. So like this what I did, okay. I started by playing this. You see, so I want to break it down, okay. Break it down. So do la fa, do mi su do, re ti so, re ti so, do mi su do, do la fa, do mi su do. see, they what you are hearing here, you know, and even this. I mean, every note, okay, each chord that I played, they are just like triad. Okay, so I played triad here. You see, so we all know, like, I mean, I believe some of you know Falado, right? The triad, right? So, but this is just what they want, inverse, okay? You know, just like, you know, an inverse form. You see, but they are still the same, okay? So instead of playing, I played do la fa, okay, and it works. It fits, right? Good. So again, do la fa, do mi so do, re ti so, do mi so do. You see, 1 6 4 1 6 4 1 1 3 5 1 2 7 5 2 7 5 1 1 3 5 1. See, it's as simple as that, okay? You just have to practice it very well, okay? So it goes like this. Let's just, you know, I have a father, okay? So I have a father, and I never fail. I have a father, yes, it's my father. Sorry. I have a father, you never fail. I have a father, Jesus is my father. Okay, so that's it.